Now, just as a footnote to the previous little recording, um, watch this. I'm going to press play and watch what happens to the ball. It flies off, it flies through the walls. And that's because one of the things that I had done um, before was that I'd set this collision detection thing on the rigid body for the sphere to be continuous dynamic. So that was saving it from going through the walls. But the default position, which you were probably on, was discrete. So if you're finding that the ball is going through the walls, then change it to continuous dynamic, and that should now stop the ball from going through the wall. So this is on continuous dynamic, and basically what's happening is Unity is looking ahead and saying, "Oh, the ball's about to hit a collider. I know that I should do something about that." Whereas if you have it on discrete, then there's not enough time for the game's engine to respond to the speed of the ball, and it just goes through. So I don't really know why they have this difference, and there's obviously some other options here, speculative, whatever, but have it on continuous dynamic, and that should solve any problem that you've got with the ball going through the wall.